Namaskar. Many of you struggle with losing weight. You try diet after diet, workout after workout, and still find it tough to lose your extra weight. But did you know that there is a simple natural ingredient that can really help you in your weight loss journey? I'm talking about apple cider vinegar or ACV. ACV has shown many research backed benefits that can aid your weight loss journey. First is appetite control. Research suggests that acetic acid, the active compound in ACV, may reduce appetite and cravings. This makes it easier to stick to healthy portions and avoid extra snacking. The next benefit is that ACV can speed up your metabolism. This allows your body to burn more calories throughout the day. Third, ACV improves digestion. A healthy digestive system is very essential for a healthy weight loss. Remember, to get the full benefit of ACV, you must use it in the right way. The right way to use this ACV is to use it with the mother. This is the type of ACV that is raw, unfiltered, and unpasteurized. The mother is a cloudy web-like substance found floating in the vinegar. Let's understand why the mother matters. First, the mother is full of probiotics. This means that it has good bacteria, which supports gut health and digestion. Second, it has many beneficial enzymes and nutrients that are not present in pasteurized or filtered ACV. Now let's learn 3 unique recipes to use ACV in our daily diet. First, we have ACV lemon detox drink, which supports digestion, boosts metabolism, and can help reduce bloating. You need 1 cup warm water, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, juice of half a lemon, a pinch of cinnamon powder. Now first mix ACV lemon juice and cinnamon into warm water. Stir well and drink on an empty stomach in the morning. The next recipe is ACV cucumber salad. This light hydrating salad is low in calories, supports digestion, and helps reduce water retention. The ingredients you need are 1 cucumber thinly sliced, 1 tablespoon ACV, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, a pinch of black pepper, chopped coriander and mint leaves. Now first mix ACV and lemon juice in a bowl. Then toss cucumber slices with the ACV dressing. Now add black pepper, coriander and mint for flavor. Let it sit for 5 minutes before eating. The third unique recipe is ACV and green smoothie. This smoothie is nutrient dense, full of fiber and alkalizing. These properties make it excellent for weight management. To make this, you will need half cup spinach, 1 green apple chopped, 1 cucumber chopped, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 cup water or coconut water. To make this smoothie, first blend spinach, apple, cucumber and water till it is smooth. Then add ACV and blend again. Drink this refreshing smoothie fresh in the morning to get its maximum benefits. Remember, ACV alone will not help you to get fit. You have to make it a part of healthy routine, which includes a healthy diet and active exercise. Combining these recipes with whole foods, regular exercise and mindful eating to become fit and healthy naturally. Namaskar.